नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanidar, Kotari, everyone sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, cities sitting with us, having Nayana Diksha, Melbourne Adinam, Houston Adinam, St. Louis Adinam, Guadalupe Adinam, Kuala Lumpur Adinam, Ponca City, Oklahoma, Melbourne Adinam, Hollywood Satsang Center, Hong Kong Sirgari, Singapore Adinam, Beverly Hills, California, Phoenix Adinam, Oklahoma Adinam, Toronto Adinam, Vancouver, Canada, Phoenix, Arizona, Los Angeles Adinam, Ohio Adinam, Seattle Adinam, Redmond, Washington, San Jose Adinam, Austin, China, Montclair, and some more cities. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. First, the Jnana Sambandhars Mahotsava starts from today. His birth, he getting the mother's milk, and he establishing Saivism, and his Videha Samadhi with Mahadeva, all that will be celebrated from today. So first let us start the traditional ritual of his birth, Jnana Sambandhar's birth. Then today we have a grand celebration of Nityananda Purnima. My Enlightenment Day celebrations.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Mucharantamanumate Pralayana Swasti Avahitam Purvayami Nipya Sujata Vedo Patan Nirrimama Vasugri Samakima Vahajivan Sadishosa Manoti Vechata Vedona Guru Jagad Abhibhrakati Yama Paripataya Nasamanda Swami Namo Namaha Ekharani Darshayami.
Today, formally we started the Utsava of Jnana Sambandhar. Today we will be celebrating his incarnation, means taking birth. Tomorrow he receiving the enlightenment milk from Devi. Then next day is Mahasamadhi, Videha Samadhi into Mahadeva. Next, today, 26 years over, we are entering into 27th year of my enlightenment day. Vidhi has decorated my Murti on Swarnahamsa Vagana and offered many Nivedyams. To celebrate the event. This Nityananda Purnima, I have a special, unique fulfillment which I wanted to share with all of you. This is the first Nityananda Purnima I am celebrating after giving at least one glimpse of what I had at the age of 12 to all my Gurukul kids and many of our devotees. So now when I tell people, I was able to see 360-degree, people won't be able to deny it. No one can deny it because it's already started getting reproduced. Already the reproduction of that experience has started happening. Even though it has not started happening in that very intensity which happened in me at the age of 12, but many of its dimensions are getting replicated. Many of the experiences are getting replicated. So this establishes the fact my experience was true. It is not just the fantasy of some hyperactive kid or delusion of some ADHD kid or illusion of some autistic child. Now, that very experience getting reproduced properly in so many Gurukul kids, even adults, the sanctity and authenticity of that experience is getting established more and more. So, this Nityananda Purnima is very special for us. It's only when we reproduce the same experience, the authenticity of the original experience is established. Only when the replicas are made, the authenticity of the original mold is established. It's only with the lamps lit, the power of the original lamp is established. I can say so many kids having their third eye awakened, even the adults having their third eye awakened, able to see everything beyond the use of senses, establishes the fact, the experience which I describe happened at the age of 12 is not a myth or a story or fantasy. It's a proper, right experience of higher reality. So first time we are celebrating the Nityananda Purnima. After this third eye awakening, so because of that, this Nityananda Purnima is something highly fulfilling for me personally and for our Sangha. My message on this Nityananda Purnima. My message on this Nityananda Purnima: work on your third eye, have initiation, see to it your third eye is awakened. Not having the third eye awakened, you are missing something very seriously. If that possibility has not yet happened and you are not having, okay. But if the next level iPad has been released and you are not having it, you are missing something seriously. Don't miss it. Be updated. Already the third eye awakening process is out, available on the planet Earth. Make it available for you and be updated. Be updated human being. That's all is the message I have for today. My blessings to all of you. Let every one of you experience the highest enlightenment on this auspicious day. Let everyone live, radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Advaita, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
Nityananda Dhyanapītam, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/lifeblissfoundation.